finally, we are going to do a rabbit. So first thing we gotta do is get a brown, and I'm going to give it a tune material so that we can see it better. Hold A, go back to draw, sketch. Going to go to our brushes. I'm going to go to shapes. I'm going to go to sphere, and I am going to make sure customize is on and subdivision and object is also on. With both hands, grab it, press Y, then I'm going to edit the shape. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to mirrored, and it's going to mirror it this way. And I'm going to take this half of the points and I'm going to press B to remove half of it. Then I'm going to push the right stick forward, grab it, and merge it into center. Once you have it, you can then mess with it symmetrically. First thing I'm going to do is push the stick forward and grab this front part outward. So we're going to get a good side profile. We're going to grab the entire top and squish it in a little bit. Grab the entire top too, squish it in, and take this entire left side and push it in as well. Then I'm going to press A again. Going to go to this big circle here called smooth. Push forward on the stick to expand it, and I'm going to click it to smooth any weird rough edges. So I'm going to go to our settings where it says subdivision level. I'm going to turn it up to maximum so it looks nice and smooth. If there's a hole in your sketch anyway, make sure you pull this to the center so that way it can be locked in. Nice. You can get further adjustments you need. When you're done, press Y. Nice. So we have the head. Next thing we're going to go do is get the ears. I'm going to go to draw. I'm going to go to custom ribbon. Then I'm going to click here. Make sure planar is on. Click here. And you're going to press Y when you're done. Then you can edit the shape by pressing Y again. You can sharpen the tip of the ear by pushing the right stick forward while grabbing onto this top point, and do the opposite by pinching downward. Increase the size of the shape to make it more round, and when you have it to a point that you like, press Y when you're done. Grab it again, scale down the ear maybe, and duplicate. Now we can do the body. We're going to go to shapes, soft cube. If you don't have soft cube in the top here, what you can do is go to cube at the top and click regular cube and then soft cube. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click here, grab it, you're going to press Y, and then you're going to edit shape a bit longer. Revert to subdivision object. Then the next thing we can do is we're going to edit this shape, push the stick forward, grab these points, push them upward a little bit, and pinch it in by pulling your other hand inward. Then you're going to take this point and pull it outward as well. To make it easier, you can click mirror, and it will do the same thing as it did earlier. Then you can do what I showed you earlier. Remove all these corners, grab all these corners, press B, push circle upward, bring it inward. So that way it will mirror everything you do here. Now you can more easily adjust the shape. Be sure to scale it up so you can see any details and fill in any holes. Also, you can click loop division to edit, add more points. Once you got it to a point, you can press Y, grab the head or the ears, press X to group it, put the head on top of the body.